Raphas is the company who develops drug delivery system based on dissolving microneedle technology. The company name Raphas, the combination of Rapha as a meaning of healing with path as a route embodies our aspiration that our products become a path to heal the humans. This slide shows our biz roadmap. Firstly, we commercialize dissolving microneedles as a cosmetic patch which delivers cosmetic active ingredients to the skin. As the next step, we have developed and commercialized a medical device which helps the absorption of topical dermatologic drugs. Currently, we are under development process of dissolving microneedle patches loaded with a wide range of medical drugs. Our ultimate goal is to develop the microneedle patched vaccine with aim to distribute to the undeveloped countries marginalized and excluded from medical benefits. This is how microneedle works. It is dissolved when combined with body fluid after it passes through stratum corneum in the skin. Then, active ingredients mixed in it are delivered to the skin. These are the advantages of microneedle. It is user-friendly. You can hardly feel pain. Moreover, it does not generate any harmful medical wastes. Its solid form allows a stable distribution without cold chain. Raphas is the only company who has succeeded in mass production and commercialization of its dissolving microneedle technology. This technology we select and use is droplet-borne air blowing, which is totally different manufacturing method from the existing ones. After dropping droplets of active ingredients to be loaded on the patch, put the two patches close until the active ingredients put into contact with them and then separate and dry the patches by air blowing. This unique DAB droplet-borne air blowing method has the following advantages. Since the heat and UV rays are not used during the manufacturing process, the wanted active ingredients can be loaded without alteration or loss. The adjustment of the size and shape of the patch is very flexible, as it does not count with mold, and the amount of droplet is precisely controlled so that it is possible to inject the exact quantity of active ingredients on the patch. It takes only 5 minutes to be manufactured with very simple process. This slide shows the photo taken with microneedle of 2 different lengths on the human arm by using optical coherence tomography. As you can see, the longer the microneedle is, the deeper it penetrates into the skin. Raphas has more than 18 patents related to its manufacturing technology. The core patent in relation to DAB is already registered in Korea, USA, Japan, China, and is under registration process in Europe. Other technology patents are also continuously being applied and registered. All cosmetics and medical products manufactured by Raphas are completed their production through strict manufacturing and quality controls, complying the international standards. Cheonan-based manufacturing plant, where our unique manufacturing technology is realized, obtained ISO 22716, International Cosmetics GMP Standard, and Medical Device Manufacturing Business License by complying Korean Medical Device GMP Standard. Until now, we introduced our brilliant dissolving microneedles technology. Next, we are going to show the clinical test results for wrinkle improvement and skin trouble care by using microneedle cosmetic patches developed by Raphas. For the first launched product for wrinkle improvement, it is shown a remarkable efficacy after applying every 3 days for 4 weeks around eye area and nasophabial folds. This efficacy lasted for another 4 weeks even after discontinuing the application. With this effectiveness, the microneedle with EGF launched in USA market through the ODM business in 2014 and has been placed its name on the Forbes as one of the most innovative beauty products of the year. We also succeeded in developing the microneedle patch formulated with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial ingredients for skin trouble improvement. After being tested clinically on acne-prone skin to prove its suitability and improvement effect, the result was noticeable for the improvement of acne and sebum control. The subject participated in this test had mild-moderate level of acne on change rate of each acne severity, which used to indicate and evaluate acne severity. As you can see from the graph on the left, about 45% and 65% of acne improvement were shown when applied patch 4 and 8 times respectively during 8 days. As shown on the graph on the right, 60% of sebum secretion decreased compared with before use. You go to check the efficacy of skin trouble improvement patch demonstrated by the actual subject. The red circle is the area where the patch was attached. You can see acne lesion improved gradually. These were the clinical test results. From now, we'd like to introduce a medical device made with dissolving microneedle patch. This is the research result of drugs absorption inducement of Raphas, medical device developed by Raphas. Pigskin was used in this research. Only steroid ointment was applied in the control group, while Raphas was attached on the top of it in the test group. With the result of hourly drugs penetration ratio using with France diffusion cell system, as seen in a bold line, the group that used Raphas shows 2 to 4 times higher penetration ratio of ointment than the control group as time goes by. We studied improvement effect of Raphas with 24 participations who have prurito nodularis. We applied local steroid of normal topical steroid potency class 2 on the both sides of arms and legs of volunteers and put Raphas only on the right arm and leg once a week for 4 weeks to check improvement. We can see from the left graph that after 4 weeks, the size of prurito nodularis became smaller on the right arm and leg where Raphas was applied than on the control group. The right graph indicates the statistics of improvement result that shows the height of prurito nodularis was improved because of Raphas after 4 weeks compared to control group. In general, prurito nodularis patients have difficulty in their daily life due to itchiness in the affected area. With the result of improvement rate of itchiness using visual analog scale score in this test, we found that more positive outcomes were shown in the test group where Raphas Therapus was used after 4 weeks like other tests. Our business structure is focused in establishing partnership with the companies who develop their own active ingredients or have their own sales network in cosmetic and/or medical fields, since we do not develop them nor have a direct sales network. For the cosmetic, we conduct ODM business, and for medical field, we pursue CMO business. Raphas has already been recognized for its outstanding technology in the global market. Success in Japan and USA led us to expand our business toward Europe, South America, and Oceania. Now we are growing to become a global company. We will make our best efforts to conquer new business fields, such as medical device and medical drugs, to develop new products, to obtain product approval, and to expand sales network. We would highly appreciate your attention and support extended to achieve our goals. Thank you.